Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Hope you all are doing fine, doing well. So, our first lesson related to the Arabic grammar was about hada. As I told you, hada means this in English, okay? And hada is used for masculine things, not for feminine. So, and hada is used for the near things. If something masculine is a little far from us, so in Arabic we use dhalika only for masculine things, okay? Like in English we use this for hadihi and that for the thing that is a little far from us. We say this thing, that thing. So in Arabic we say هذا الشيء ذلك الشيء. So ذلك means that in Arabic. Okay, so let's start our new lesson. الدرس الثاني, second lesson. ذلك means that, and as you know, that is used for masculine, feminine, all the things, but ذلك in Arabic it is used only for masculine things. And as I told you, ma hada, ma means what? It is used for question. So like here you can see on your screen, ma dhalika, what is that? Dhalika najmun, that is star. Now you can see the difference between hada and dhalika. هذا مسجد, this is a mosque. وذلك بيت, that is a house. You can see house is little far, so that is a house. وذلك بيت. Okay, the next one, هذا حصان, this is a horse. وذلك حمار, and that is a donkey. You can see the difference. أذلك قلب, أذلك همزة ذبر أ. It is used for questioning as well. Like in English we say this is a cat. So if we want to ask someone to prove that this is a cat, we say is this a cat? So like this we use in Arabic أذلك قلب, أذلك كلب. Kalb means dog. So here they want to prove that that is a dog. أذلك كلب, is that a dog? لا, la means no. ذلك قط, that is a cat. Okay, ما ذلك, what is that? ذلك سرير. سرير means, as you know, bed. Okay, the next one, من هذا ومن ذلك, who is this and who is that? هذا مدرس وذلك إمام, this is a teacher and that is imam in the mosque. Okay, ما ذلك, what is that? ذلك حجر, that is stone. هذا سكر وذلك لبن, this is sugar and that is milk. So I think, my dear students, I hope you all understood the difference between hada and dhalika, because this is mostly used in Arabic. Dhalika, it is mostly used in Arabic, as hada is mostly used in Arabic. So now the next one is exercise. If you can see the exercise, you should solve this and you can send me in comments. I will check it and I will return to you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Assalamu alaikum.